This will be a video chart on MMTE. Did this one a few weeks back, and the chart has remained bullish. It's continued to put in those higher lows, and I've had quite a few requests for it, and I've been slacking off a little bit. But here we are. Want to get it updated, map out some supports, resistances, and that way everybody is still kept in the loop in terms of what's been going on with the chart. So the first thing I want to point out is the golden cross has occurred. The 50-day is up through the 200-day, so we now do have a confirmed, bullish uptrend here. And with that being said, the leader of the chart, meaning the moving average that really seems to be setting the pace, is right now this reddish line here, which is the 20-day simple moving average or middle Bollinger Band, both the same thing. You can see that every time the price kind of gets close to it, the bulls step in here. It actually bounced right off of it. Here, once again, got kind of close. But the point being, and it's very easy to see, but this seems to be carrying the price upwards for you surfers out there. You could picture this as the wave. The price just seems to be riding this like it is some sort of wave. So if you're not from the coast, then I don't know what to tell you. But that is one way you could look at it. Now for the resistances, what we have here is kind of just a trend line here. We had this big move up here, pull back, and then it did bounce. However, when it bounced, it wasn't able to quite get that high. So now we have this resistance trend line here, and this will be the key level that we want to see the bulls try to get through. The good news is closed relatively close to it, so it very well is possible that tomorrow it could get tested once again and hopefully fall going into the weekend. But like I said, the price or the chart is overall in a trend. So even if tomorrow it can't get through there, by no means is that imply that it's the end of the world or the chart's toast or anything like that. I know people are probably getting anxious, but at the same time you have to remember that the overall chart is definitely bullish. We have the 50-day increasing, the 200-day even's got a slight increase to it, and the 20-day right here has been doing a great job of supporting it. So as hard as it can be, don't try to look at things day by day. Now if you're a day trader or a short-term swing trader, then yeah, maybe you want to, but the impression I get is quite a few people are in this for more of a longer-term hold right now. So if this level can break, then I already looked at the chart. It's essentially a blue sky breakout. So when that occurs, you just kind of gotta use your gut instincts and sell whenever you think the level twos may suggest you should. But after this level, you really won't be able to go by any sort of where's future resistance levels at. But overall, like I said, the moving averages don't lie. They're all sloping upwards. So the chart is making progress, and as long as these moving averages continue to hold, then the bulls are going to be in charge. It's as simple as that. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was MMTE. Thanks for listening.